What up? Welcome back to the channel. I am headed over to Cycle Gear to pick up some tubes real quick. Bike's loaded up behind me, as you can see. And then after that, I'm going to my buddy Greg's house. He's Frisco Motorworks on Instagram. I don't have a setup to get the tires off of the rims, and he does. So I'm going to go work in his garage. I've already done oil change, primary, new spark plugs, and new battery. Bike is running beautiful. It only has 11,000 miles. But now I'm gonna have the tires, and so I can actually go ahead and ride this thing around, which is very exciting. So the Sporty's coming alive. Anyways, let's get into it.
This would be the perfect fucking bike to zap. I was zapping.
Oh shit! That's what I was telling you. I was like, I need to do on my whole bike.
Hell yeah.
It's like the shit.
Hoping that this doesn't break.
I don't want your fucking thing to break either. Oh.
Nope. Let me bring it back around.
Damn.
The next day.
So it's been hella days now. Obviously you guys just saw me being over at Greg's house doing the tire, tubes, belt, whatever. A few days later I ended up doing the handlebar, sissy bar, and everything, all the little knickknacks and all that. And so today I finally get to rip around on the Sporty. It's super exciting because it's obviously been sitting for hella years, and so to have it finally ripping around and riding it, enjoying it is exciting. I got my body cam. Shout out to Tellison who sent this to me because they wanted me to try it out, and honestly it works great. Also, just to plug them a little bit. Easy, quick release, so I can like, you know, record people while I'm riding, which is nice, and then, you know, hopefully not drop it. But anyways, I'm gonna go get some footage on the Sporty, and yeah, just gonna have some good times out on the streets. Peace. You guys? It's nice, man. Do you mind if I take a picture of it?